This is a 100% accurate lesson for Positions by Ariana Grande. How's everyone doing? Welcome along to my guitar channel. So if you want to keep up to date for future lessons, I have loads of Ariana Grande tunes done like this. They are all accurate. If you like accurate guitar lessons on YouTube, just hit subscribe below to be kept up to date. This lesson also comes with a free interactive tab if you want to practice along with it. So that's going to pop up right about now. Let's get into the lesson. One more thing, I'm wondering, what is your favorite Ariana Grande song to play on guitar? Comment below. All together, it sounds like this. And again. Chords. Alrighty, now as follows, let's get into the riff. So we got our ring, index, ring, middle. I would drill that a good few times and I'm picking down, up, down, up. So ring, index, ring, middle. And then flatten your ring finger to catch those two tens. You'll know you're flattened it enough when that knuckle is flat. Then the next one, you can use your pinky or your ring to begin. Sometimes I use a variation of both. But then after that, use your middle, index, ring. That's what we get. Okay, so those two bars. That's what we get. Now, the third bar, I'm using middle, index, ring, ring, and then index and middle. And the thing is, you can use a variation of these if you wish. Like, I just find these to be the easiest. And finally, the last group of notes are the same pattern as the second bar. See, the same thing. Second bar was, that's the fourth. All together. And that's it. So those are the main parts. Then if you want to add in chords, you have D minor 7. I'm trusting if you know what D minor 7 is, you're okay with these bar chords. Then we have A minor 7. Then a B flat major 7, which can be played like that or this. Again, these will be down in the description. Back to A minor 7, G minor 7. So it goes. And those will be all the main parts. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date for future lessons. They're all accurate. I aim to make all these lessons as accurate as possible, and I greatly appreciate any subscribers. So pop a comment below, let me know how you got on with this. Catch you soon.